Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. I want to show you a very latest update that we just made to the system, and it's basically to help you to gain more interest from students and to assist you in ensuring that you make money from platform. So you navigate here, is called Newsfield. From the system, you can actually post content for students to like it, comment about it. As you guys can see, I'm going to scroll down. This is a post from a college, a partner college. We have like 5 likes already. And same way, you have comments from students and prospective students commenting about your post, and you can actually respond to them. This is very important for you to generate more business for yourself. You can post something related to study abroad. If somebody needs help, you can talk about different study destination. You can give advice on what to do with application. But make sure that every post you make on this platform is related to international education. And we wouldn't advise you market something else. We wouldn't advise you market a competitor on this platform. But we give you this tool to give you a chance to speak to prospective students, and posting here is the way to do that. We have more than 200,000 students using the platform, so your post will be seen, and from here also you can build followers, because prospective students can actually follow your institute if they're interested in hearing more about you. And every time you post, if a student is following your institute, following you on the Newsfield, you will then be able to see those people that are following you. You can build followers on this platform. Guys, that is it for the Newsfield functionality. It's always there for you. You can tag students based on country. So let's say you have a post and you only want Angola student to see the post. You can actually select Angola. It means that only Angola students will see that particular post. So the post, you can do videos. You can also add YouTube to your post. You copy the link of YouTube, you paste it here, and then you click on post after writing the content. So this is how to use the Newsfield functionality on affiliate account. Thank you very much for joining this tutorial.